Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be discussing how we can create good Christmas designs that move from this but to this, designs that are conceptual, designs that carry visual metaphor. Usually, when people create Christmas designs and New Year designs, what they usually do is to just create designs that just carry Merry Christmas, Happy New Year with balloons all around, or balls, or Christmas trees, or Christmas boxes, or things like that. And these are generic. These are not brand specific, and it doesn't show the essence of the brand. But rather, I'm presenting to you today how you can create designs that are not just generic, but then they are unique, they are conceptual, and they carry visual metaphor. For instance, when a brand actually sells laptop, you can create a design with the use of the product they sell, and then it relates to the event like this. Also, you can actually create a design for a brand that actually sells, maybe they do car rentals or they sell cars. Instead of you to just doing Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, or just put Christmas trees and all, why not let us do something creative, something that you can see the product of the brand, and then you can also see the greetings you are actually trying to pass across to the audience. Let's dive in. Let me show you how to create a similar design on CorelDRAW. There are some elements we'll be using, which I'll bring in. So I'll first draw a shape here. This is the shape. So I'm going to give it a color. So I like colors. So I want to pick colors from here. So I'll pick this color and I'll pick this color. Yeah, not too dark. Okay. So I'll clip this inside this shape. So you can put the logo of the brand here. Then I'll bring the elements I'll be using for my design. So this is a brand that sells car. They specifically specialize in selling Mercedes Benz, and they usually rent them out as well. So because it's Christmas, I'll be using this colors of cars. You can see this is black and this is red. So you can see this as a shadow at the bottom here, this region. But this doesn't have a shadow, so it doesn't look real. But then I want it to look real. So I'll create somewhat a shadow there. I'll group it together now and then make it smaller and make this even smaller bit. So I'll arrange it in such a way that it will look like a Christmas tree. Okay. This two will go on top of this. If you're using CorelDRAW, you just need to press Control Page Up to move it, or Shift Page Up to take it down, Control Page Down, or Shift Page Down. How that helps. Then red is the next. Then black is next. Control Page Down, or okay, Page Down, you can see. Then red is next. Then black is next. Then the spaces in between needs to be adjusted a little bit. So I'm going to bring in alignment to so because it's supposed to be a Christmas tree, um, this doesn't exactly look like a Christmas tree to an extent, except someone actually calls attention to it. But then to touch it up finally to make it look like a Christmas tree indeed, we need to bring in um, a star at the top. If there is a star at the top here, it will be very, very good. So I'll bring in a star like this. But then if you just put a star like this, it's not going to be very good. So I'm going to like duplicate the layer of the star, and then I'm going to make the star, I'm going to blur it to make it look like it's shining. So I'll come to effect, blur, ocean blur. You see now? So I'm going to type Merry Christmas. It's good for us to use a funky font. If you don't know how to get a funky font, you can go to freepick.com and get some funky fonts there. But then I'll just use a particular font here. It's titled Merry Christmas. Make it white. Don't exactly like this font, so I'm going to change it. I'm going to use another one. So I want to type a little message there. I just want to make this Merry Christmas to be shiny so that it doesn't look like just a text. Yeah. So you can see what you're able to do now. This kind of design is actually conceptual. It has visual metaphor. You can see the what the brand does, and also you can see what the Christmas season is all about, right? So it's very, very important for you to not just create regular designs. And don't forget that the simplest designs are actually the most conceptual designs. It's better you do minimalism in design, which is less is more. Thank you. Can you let me know if you have any comments or any question in the comment section. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe even to this channel.